Oh, one more thing. It is Fred's 29th anniversary at WSPA.
Wow.
We want to say congratulations to you.
Whoa.
And Fred, we got you 29 of one of your favorite things. This is 29 Pop-Tarts. Now, Fred eats Pop-Tarts every morning?
Yeah, we have little snacks.
Actually, I've got
There you
31
go.
now.
There
you go.
Emily made this Pop-Tart.
This is great.
Oh my
Great
God.
little castle.
I was actually carrying this tub we're in, and Fred was like, "Why do you have that large tub?"
I did wonder about that. That means you lied to me, which is okay because it benefits me. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Can you smell them?
Yeah,
I know. It's very nice. Oh, and a wide
Fred,
variety
you
too.
started working here before Emily was born.
That's true. Yeah.
Sorry.
The celebration
Put it in
really just got
perspective.
tempered by it. No, you're so awesome. April 20th, 1987.
Wow.
I started in sports.
Yeah.
I'm almost 50-50 between my time in sports and my time on this show.
Well, we're glad you're here.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Congratulations, Fred.
Let's see, there's 29 of those.
Yep.
I would think by 9 o'clock this morning when we're done, there might be 26, maybe 25.
Good stuff.
Oh,
Happy
that is
anniversary.
awesome.
Yeah, 20